Welcome to Paris, one of the most inspiring fashion capitals of the world. And we could think of no place better than to bring you, to share with you the beautiful event that is Paris Fashion Week, which is happening down there. People from all over the world, and we're bringing you the Capsule wardrobe. My name is Linda Potgieter. I'm the founder and CEO of Linda Page, a fashion brand that empowers and equips women to get up, dress up, and be a bold light on a hill. So what is the Capsule wardrobe? It's something incredibly powerful when it comes to feeling good and looking good, being faithful with your time and your money. Because as women, as moms, as business people, as singles with demanding careers, we know the time it takes to invest in a good wardrobe, good quality items to look good. So a tiny little bit about the Capsule wardrobe history. There's a world-renowned stylist by the name of Susie Faux who once had a boutique in London who came up with the concept Capsule wardrobe. She was highly organized by nature, and what she has done for women all over the world is pull together the concept of what are the staple items you need to have in your wardrobe that you can mix and match and learn how to use together to create hundreds and hundreds of different outfits, using the same pieces in different ways to create beautiful outfits. Now, the reason we love Capsule wardrobe is because it's very much in line with what we advocate, which is being faithful with your time and faithful with your money. It's very much part of the Linda Page 1, 2, 3 Style Me 10 steps to style success. So what that is about is how do we use our money wisely and how do we use our time wisely to get up, dress up, and be a bold light on a hill, because the world needs you to get up and dress up and choose to be confident, because beauty is an inside job. So it was also Donna Karan in New York who took the concept of Capsule wardrobe and just kind of modernized it, and then from there a lot of designers have actually added on to the concept and have evolved the concept. So you will find that different people have different ideas of Capsule wardrobe, but I would say about 80% of the Capsule wardrobe is about the same. And so the Linda Page Capsule wardrobe has two very exciting, very inspiring, unique elements at number 29 and number 30 that's coming right up here today that we know is going to set you apart to be that bold light on a hill.